Thank you, everybody. My name is Eui-Ho Suh. I'm the chair of the Global Relations Committee, which is the equivalent to the Dean of International Affairs at the University. I'm from Pohang University of Science and Technology, POSTECH. I think Dean from KAIST, the Dr. Lee, he is my good friend. He said that the KAIST is young, only 40 years old, but the POSTECH is even younger. It's only 25 years old, and we'll have a ceremony, 25th anniversary ceremony this year. It's a very young university. But today I'm focusing on bilingual campus. I know there are many things we may discuss in exchanging students and scholars, but I think I'll focus on bilingual campus issue today. And globalizing universities, I have so many slides here, so I could go very quickly. Probably you can take a look at later from my file. And globalizing in general, I mean, there are many definitions of globalization is some objectives of globalizing university. I think you're pretty familiar with this notion. And then current state globalization, well, we have some, I think Kyoto University obviously is very active in globalization. I have some few examples in the World Class University project, Singapore, Waseda in China, and Malaysia twinning program, for example. And globalizing university in Korea, and then there's international faculty ratio and student ratio, outbound, is all that went up compared to 4 years ago. This is statistics 2006 and 2010, the increments is drastic. Particularly inbound exchange student ratio is increased by more than 100%, and 200% student English lecture ratio. This is a phenomenal situation in Korea now. I think KAIST, as you see that the English lecture percentage is almost 100% in undergraduate program, which actually a little bit opposite to our program. I will introduce POSTECH program later. So the current situation is increased international relation office, increased branch office, international education program English classes. And official English movement in Korea in general. See there, for example, official English movement is English is common used in the nation. For example, Thailand, English is unofficial language in public Canada, in English in Germany. I think the significance, increasing importance of English, improvement in nation competitiveness, and contribution. Obviously, well, this is very controversial already. I think also in the same situation in Japan. Current status, mandatory English education since 3rd grade in language. This is the situation in Korea. So mandatory English education, language education from the 3rd grade, construction of English-speaking villages, auxiliary education. There are 21 facilities throughout the country of Korea. There are 21 villages, English-speaking villages. Incheon, for example, English city project is a very ambitious project. So there is a big phenomenon in Korea. And Jeju, for example, Jeju Island is bilingual Jeju project. So this is one of the big project for Jeju Island. LG Electronics. LG Electronics is a very popular company, handphone, cell phone, and TV, and they declare a bilingual company. And JP Morgan's Seoul branch, and also this kind of thing. The official English movement of university in Korea, for example, POSTECH, bilingual campus, will introduce Korea and Catholic University, Gangwon, and KAIST, Myeongji, and Cheongyungan, UNIST, bilingual Yonsei, and there is no KAIST because KAIST is kind of a direct competitor to POSTECH. Okay. KAIST is one of the best schools in Korea, I know that. Okay. So, okay. See, POSTECH 3 globalization project. Actually, we got, I think, 1 billion, 100 million, actually, 150 million, $150 million approval from the Board of Trustees last year for 3-year globalization project. Well, this is a POSTECH in general. It's located in Pohang, in the 20 miles south from Seoul. It's the main campus here, and a lot of research facilities here. The faculty apartment, the student dormitory, Pohang Accelerator Laboratory. This is the only synchrotron radiation facilities in Korea. So there's a huge, well, it's not, land size is not huge, but it's a huge campus for having only 3,000 students. It's a small campus. We have only 3,000 students, very small university, but very highly selective students, faculty, 600 researchers. Okay, and I'm going to skip this. This is a Vision 2020, try to World Top 20 by 2020. This is our ambitious plan. And then there's some infrastructure, human resources, infrastructures, global. Well, we have 9 tasks now, and to achieve by global campus. And bilingual campus. Objective, the education research environment for the international members. Let me, we have a declaration of bilingual campus this March, and let me push this. Maybe I can show this a little bit. Maybe, I don't know. Can you help me to, I think somebody can help you. Probably doesn't sound, there is no sound, probably we can check.
No problem,
okay.
there is no sound.
No sound?
No sound.
Okay. So there's no sound, but I think this is this declaration ceremony last March, we declared bilingual campus. So this actually, this was conducted by in English, the speech by the president's speech. Actually, NHK, Japanese major TV network came to our campus and they videotaped all these things. I think they broadcast the bilingual campus declaration is, I think, April 3rd in 2010, last year. So NHK came to us and okay. So that all major documents is translated in English. So all the documents in official documents in Korean and English, and then enforced teaching English. And this is opposite to KAIST. KAIST has 100% English undergraduate and around 60% English lectures in graduate program. We are opposite. Our graduate program is 100%. Sorry. See, 100% major based. In fact, this is, I think, a little bit. 100% graduate courses are being taught in English now, and then 100% of major undergraduate program, which is the junior and senior level, is being taught in English. So the percentage of English classes undergraduate like 65%, and percentage of graduate program classes is 100% now. Also, global village plan. This is benchmarking of Yusong global village invasion. I think near KAIST, but I don't know if it's gonna successful or not. It's a 2-year plan. This is a documented translation supporting system. We have an English express English service. Any person at the campus, if they need to translate from Korean to English, they can post their question in English service program in the website. Will respond within 24 hours. This is 24-hour monitoring system. So in the program, we monitor the whole website in the 24 hours. And if somebody put the question that, how can you translate this and that? Okay, then we'll translate it within 24 hours. So this is a very effective program now. And so I think the POSTECH, I think they say POSTECH is good in general. Implementation area, some lectures and thesis. 100% of graduate theses must be written in English, and seminars in English, campus-wide faculty meetings. And the faculty meetings being in English now, and about the faculty meeting, deans and chairs meeting, blah, blah. So we have some principles here. Okay. And bilingual campus implementing regulations, we make a regulation. constitution of POSTECH. And then, so this is a English student scholar program. For example, I'm here, but okay, this is an international student scholar service program, which is a one-stop service. So any international students, I think we have a second one, Mr. Kim is here. And when any international student scholar come to this office, we'll solve out any kind of problem they might have. So this is a one-stop service for international student and scholar. Well, this is the Pohang Academy, many top universities, including Kyoto University. And then we have a branch office in Hanoi and Beijing, and India is going to open this year, maybe Europe under review, and North America. So we'll have branch offices. And international university rankings, I mean, this is a little bit, I'm going to skip this, but I think, because of globalization, last year, very we lucky to be ranked 28 in the world. This is a monumental achievement as a Korean university, because we are the first Korean university ranked in top 30 in the world, any survey. So I think it's a monumental achievement for any Korean university. This is a great achievement by Times Higher Education and Reuters University. Okay, thank you so much.